Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change a Volkswagen Tiguan key battery. First, ensure you have a fresh CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver ready. Begin by locating the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This step is crucial as it reveals the access point for the battery compartment. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot inside the opening. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the key fob casing. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Take your time and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the plastic. Now that the key fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Then, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into position. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For other great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.